So anyways, that's a little upside there. Xbox boss Phil Spencer says, we don't care if the PS5 sells more. First off, I don't believe you. You have to care. It's kind of your business. But I do kind of believe you because Xbox, as he goes on to state in this particular podcast, he did an interview, Xbox has been investing a lot of time, Microsoft specifically, in other partnerships and other projects, including their cloud-based gaming project. And they may not just be in it for the hardware sales, even though I do believe you have to care a little bit. As people pick these platforms, they tend to stick to them. Current estimates are suggesting that the PlayStation could ship between 120 million to 170 million units, which could be double what the Series X ends up shipping. So it appears, and again, this is speculation, but it appears the PS5 has a little bit more juice at the moment. But that said, he goes on to say, look, we got a lot of stuff going on. He says, how many consoles do I sell versus how many consoles does another company sell? Sony or Nintendo or other companies back in the day, that's not our approach. He's basically saying, even without Xbox Series X exclusives, they're happy to be working on their xCloud game streaming service that counts smartphones among its compatible platforms. You saw the deal that they made with Samsung to include the little clip unit and the controller unit that they're pushing for. He says, if I only cared about console sales, why would I make the titles available on mobile? If I only cared about console sales, why would I make the titles available on PC? Well, PC, you got Microsoft on the PC. And on mobile, you got the Android partnership now on the Surface products. So they are not as locked into that one thing, maybe in the same way that Sony is with the PlayStation brand. So I kind of hear what he's saying. But he definitely cares about people buying the Xbox. You spend a lot of time building the Xbox, making the Xbox. And we could be in a different boat right now if that Halo thing had worked out a little bit better.
Right.
But a recent survey actually asking what customers were most likely to buy saw 84% of gamers pick Sony's product over the Xbox product. 84% that's a big discrepancy right there. We'll see how it all shakes out. But I hear him. I hear him on some of that. The cloud gaming is interesting.